Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is TaeMeshon and welcome to my page. Alright, so before I even get into it, yes, I have been MIA for a minute. Nothing major, nothing severe, you know, just getting life together, you know. Sometimes just getting those moods where you just don't want to do anything. And I was just in one of those moods to where I just didn't want to do my videos. Like, I had no motivation to do them. I just really, I don't know what it was. I just didn't feel like doing them. I guess it was just other things that was just making me not have motivation for it. So, yeah, I just got over that and, you know, just trying to get life together, you know, just trying to get back on track with my videos. I also have a family. I have a husband and 3 kids, and they have been keeping me very busy also. So, yeah, I haven't just been sitting around doing nothing. I have been busy, you know. I started a new job soon. I've started school, so yeah, I've been pretty busy, but I promise I will get back on track with my videos, do my videos. I've missed doing my videos. Every time I think about doing them, I'm like, oh, I want to do a video, but I just can never get the motivation to get my ass up and do the video. But that's behind me. I'm back. I'm ready to do my videos now. I'm ready to come out with different ideas, different things that I've been thinking about doing, different things that I've been working on that you guys don't know about, that I just want to present them to you. So yeah, just stay tuned, and thank y'all for rocking with me. Thank you to my new subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all have no idea how much I love getting those notifications, like, oh, somebody commented, somebody liked it, somebody subscribed to your channel. Like, what? Y'all fucks with me? Y'all really fucks with me? That's how I felt. That's how I felt, but I really appreciate y'all. I promise, I really appreciate y'all. So, yeah, I got this palette from Cosmetic, honey, the Festival palette. Festival. For some reason, I be want to say Festival. Am I the only one? I guess it's just the country in me, because I am from the South, the dirty South, dirty. And I just say Festival. But this Festival palette, okay, this Festival weekend festival by BH Cosmetics, they came out with, and I think it's in honor of Coachella. But this palette is honey. Yes. Okay, do y'all see these? Do y'all see these colors? The camera doesn't show justice. This palette is the shiznits, and I used it today to create this look. I hope y'all enjoy. But without further ado, I'm just rambling right now. Let's go ahead and get into this makeup. Alright, so since I haven't been on here for a minute, I think it's only right that I go ahead and just do my makeup from top to bottom, all on camera. Eyebrows, everything. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows, and I'm using my good old e.l.f. Lock On Liner. I got me a new one because my other one is all just dried out and clunky, so I'm using this one, and I got it from Walmart. It's only like $4, y'all, but when I tell y'all this stuff is good, this stuff is good. And the Sauce at Beverly Hills, I'm pretty sure that's good too. I haven't tried it yet, just because I love this stuff, and it's only $4. Yes. Save your coins, honey. Save your coins, sis. We got stuff to do. I haven't been having anywhere to go like that I've been needing makeup. Well, I'm lying, but I just been really like just doing my natural thing lately. Not that I'm stopping makeup, because I'm definitely not. But I just been, you know, not wearing makeup a lot lately. And plus trying to get my skin together. Like, the freaking wind blow, my skin gonna break out. Like, that's how bad it be sometimes. Like now, it's doing pretty good. I'm still clearing up, you know, dark marks and stuff on my forehead. But for the most part, my skin is doing good. At one point, it's like it was just breaking out everywhere. And I don't know what was wrong. Hormones or what, I don't know, but it was just crazy. Right now it's pretty good. I found some good I got some good face wash, so I've been using that, so I think that contributed to my skin doing better. Alright, I think that's enough with this eyebrow. One to the next, one to the next, one to the next, one to the next. I'm gonna just stop where I'm at and go ahead and clean them up. I am going to use my Black Opal Total Coverage Concealer, and this is in the color Truly Topaz. I want to say I want to mix this, but I'm gonna just use it as it is first before I decide to mix it and stuff. So for the top of my eyebrow, I'm not going to use the same concealer because I don't want it to be light. I'm actually going to use some foundation, and I'm going to go in with the just some random foundation. This is Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse, and this is in the color, what color is this? It says 130 Cocoa. And there's still some concealer from the bottom right here on the brush. So I'm not going to wipe that off. I'm going to just, let that blend in with it. And as a matter of fact, I think I'm going to mix in just a little bit of foundation. Well, just a little bit of concealer with the foundation. Not a lot, just a tad bit. Because I don't want it to be the exact same color of my face. Like, just maybe a shade lighter. Alright. I think that color worked. So I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to prime my eyelids. Now I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and spray it so I can blend this concealer out. I think I'm going to just go ahead and just keep it, simple with the brow bone. And I'm going to use this color called Flash. This color. It's a neutral color. It looks pretty neutral to me. Oh, look at that. It almost looks like, well, not almost, but it does look like the color that I'm used to using, which is my, my Black Radiance, the gold dust that I have been using in my past videos. So, yeah, it looks just like it. The brow bone is done. I'm done with that, so now I can go ahead and get into the eyeshadows. And plus, I like about this eyeshadow, what I like about it, it has a mirror. So instead of me using another mirror off of something else and looking, I can use the mirror that's in the palette. But then again, I don't know, because I like my mirror that I always use. It's bigger, so that's why I like it. I don't know, but just the fact that it has a mirror in it is good, because sometimes you gotta do your makeup on the go, honey, and you could be in a car, anywhere doing your makeup. So that's a good thing about this palette also. I want to start off using Hippie. It is this orange color. It's so soft, y'all. This orange really looks like it's turning pink on my eyelids. Like, I don't see orange when I put it on. It almost looks like a grapefruit color. I have packed that orange on as much as possible. I think I want to go in. I want to go in with this purple underneath it. This purple. Alright, so now that I've did that halo, cut crease, whatever you want to call it, I am using that same brush. I just wiped it off. and I am using this, what is this called? Palooza? That's what I'm gonna call it. This color, this teal color. Alright, so now we got this freaking halo thing going on. Look, I ain't know how to do that halo thing, okay? I'm not your average YouTuber. I'm not gonna come on here and act like I know how to do everything. And no, that's one thing I didn't know how to do. This is actually my first time doing it, and it took me forever. Like, literally, it took me forever. It took me more than 10 minutes to do this because I just felt like it just wasn't right. I had to keep doing it, but you know, I guess it's alright for now. I'll perfect it, you know, later on down the line once I do it a few more times. But you know, it's okay for now. It'll work. It'll get the job done. It's good. I think I'm gonna add like some shimmery stuff on top of what I have now, because I'm done with doing this. You know, if it don't look perfect, oh well, who cares? It doesn't matter. I'm gonna add some of that in the middle, and I'm gonna see if it spruces it up how I would like it to. Let me spray my brush. Yeah, that's better. I'm gonna just use my finger, because when I use anything else, I don't like how it show up. So, and voila, I think I'm done with that. I am done with that part. Okay, so my sponge is nice and wet. Yeah, it's wet. So, get my foundation. All right. Okay, so I use my same concealer that I've been using lately, which is my black opal total coverage concealer. This is what I use. This is what I use today to conceal under my eyes, my forehead, my chin, my nose, and my cupid's bow. So I'll be using this dark eyeshadow by Maybelline to contour. Quiet while mommy do the video, okay?
I was listening with this.
Okay, but I need you to be quiet while you play with it. So I had to go ahead and do my lower lash line and put my lashes on because my camera was tripping, okay? It needed charge and I ain't got time to wait. So what I did was I added some purple underneath, and then I also added some black on top and blended that out. And I also added like a little inner wing. If you can see, I added an inner wing in the inner tear ducts of my eyes just to give it a little more cat-like, you know. Alright, so for highlight, I will be using that same palette that I used to do my eyes with. Instead of using something specifically made for highlight, I'm going to use some eyeshadow, which y'all know I will use eyeshadow in a minute for highlight, okay? As long as it shimmers and shine, I could use it as highlight. So that's what I'm going to use. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use Splash. We're going to use Splash to highlight. So I'm so sick of feeling. Ooh, yes, come through, come through. color is like. Onto the lips, I'm just doing something real simple. I'm using a dark brown pencil and I'm using this lip gloss by NYX and it's called, what is this? Madeleine? I don't know. But yeah, I'm just doing something simple for the lips, nothing dramatic. Alright, and that is my finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video today. Make sure you subscribe down below, hit the like button, and leave me a comment what you think about the video, some suggestions or things that you want to see me do. And until further ado, y'all stay blessed.